Okay, so right here I've got this black wire wired into the ground. That black wire then comes into the breadboard over here along the blue line. I have a red wire for the red LED plugged into P916 and the yellow wire into P14. Now these, I just put these in these two for this. I don't know if they match up with the colors of the lab. But as we come over here now, you can see that I have a resistor in the blue row with the ground wire, and then the resistor comes over here into the breadboard, goes into the yellow LED, comes out the anode of the LED and into the wire. Okay. And then the other resistor goes into the other LED from the ground to the LED, and then the red wire into there.